Hey, welcome to D-Lab Electronics. In this video, I'm going to be opening this box and see what has been sent to D-Lab for a retrofit. As you guys know, I take old electronics that are worthless and I put amp circuits into them and turn them into something that can be used for years. And this guy has sent me something for just that. His name is Chris Feller. And he said, Terry, my daughter wants to watch you open this item. So we're going to do that, and I'll tell you guys what the plan is. Here we go. Got my vintage X-Acto knife. Get this box open and see what Chris sent me. No surprise, it's full of packing pellets. So I may have to cut back. But hey, what do we got lurking back here? Well, it happens to be a lovely bottle of Robert Mondavi. This is the Bourbon Barrel Cab. My all-time favorite. The problem is they quit making it. So this bottle would normally have a cork, and they replaced it with something called Vent. It's got a screw top, and it's nothing like the real thing. I happen to know where about 48 of these bottles are. Problem is purchasing all those. But I got this little website. If you guys want to help me with that quest, it's called buymeaglassofwine.com. So if you want to pay that site a visit, drop a few dollars into D-Lab's donation account, it'd be very handy. Now, let's see what we got in here. So these are all those little biodegradable packing peanuts, which I prefer over the styrofoam ones, because these things you can actually throw in a bucket of water and they're gone. Right, whereas the styrofoam ones blow around all over the place. Alright, I'm going to have to cut because this is probably going to cause a mess. Stand by. Alright, not too bad. Get all these little pellets off my floor. The unit itself is in bubble wrap. So I'll get it unwrapped and then we'll talk about the project. Alright, we're close. And you noticed I pushed old Robert Mondavi to the back of the bench. So, funny story. A long time ago, I used to have a box wine up here that had a label on it called Brain Juice. I was working on a radio, had it on the bench, and I leaned it back because I was trying to get access. And all of a sudden, I saw this red fluid inside the radio. I was like, what is that? Well, I hit the nozzle and it was filling the radio up with wine. Luckily, that was my radio, okay? All right, we have here a Lafayette tuner. So it's LT100. Looks pretty nasty, but it's complete. The plan will be to convert this into a tube guitar amp. So let me show you a little example of how this all works. The tuner itself is pretty easy to modify. It's pretty basic, right? But the nice thing is there is a power transformer in here that you can reuse and turn this into a cool little Class A amp. Let me show you an example of a couple I've already done. That would kind of help you to understand what's going to happen. Well, these are two conversions that I've completed. They're both ICO HFT 90 tuners, okay? So this top one is a Class A amplifier now for guitar. So this is your input, volume, tone. It runs a 6K6 Class A. Then below it, we have a Class AB amp running a pair of 6AQ5 tubes. Same deal, volume, but in this case, this is a selector for tube or diode rectifier. And then you have treble, bass in the input. On the back, I tried to maintain the stock layout. So you got your speaker outs for 4 8-ohm. This is your ACN. These terminals do nothing. Same deal with the Class A unit, but this one actually has some switches on the back where you can select 8K impedance of the output transformer or 5K. 4 8-ohm, nothing there. ACN, and then you have your tube diode rectifier select switch back here too. Pretty cool little conversion. So these two amps are currently for sale on my website. Go to dlabelectronics.com, look under the offerings tab, and you'll see these beauties. Chris spotted these, but instead of buying one of these, he elected to have one sent to me that I can convert. So that's what we're going to do with the Lafayette. In the next video, I'm going to be opening the Lafayette. We're going to test the power transformer, look over the chassis, and see how well it can be done. Okay, mission accomplished. Got the box open, the Lafayette is out and in the queue to be retrofitted into a cool guitar amp. In the meantime though, if you want to help to kickstart this project, get on buymeaglassofwine.com, donate so I can get that case of Robert Mondavi, because once it's gone, I don't know what I'll switch to.